Good morning, I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. This morning we're in Powell, Ohio, and we've got quite a few repairs to do. Going to do some out here by this big tree in the sidewalk, up at the downspouts to drains, and we're also going to be doing a rehang on a gutter on the second floor, and that's where I'm going to start because it's still a little cool out. Got nice shade down here, but this one's going to be a little bit of a hot one. And if you look closely, that's pulling away from the fascia board, and it's actually just hanging there. Now, hidden hangers are very easy to install. The work I'm doing here today is not so easy. I'm working on a second-story gutter system, and the pitch of the roof is pretty steep. I can't put the ladder up onto the gutter itself yet. The gutter would simply collapse, making it useless, and you'd have to replace it. So this is a pretty steep pitch of a roof. If you have a steep pitch roof, please hire in a professional for any type of repair or maintenance to your gutter system. So it looks like we need to put in a couple of hidden hangers, and that's what I have in my hand, to pull this back up to the fascia board. A little bit of debris to remove as well. Now this pulled away because these spikes are not going into the rafter tails. They're just going into the fascia board, and they pulled away over time. But with these, with the screw and those threads on the screw, it'll make it so that'll stay tight against the fascia board. Reaching the gutter where I have the ladder placed at this point is difficult. You have to be a contortionist of sorts, and I'm putting the hidden hangers in place for installation. And once I'm sure I have enough support for both the ladder and my weight, I will reposition the ladder so it lays on the outside lip of the gutter system. So I feel like this gutter itself is secure enough on down the line that I can go ahead and put this ladder to the outside of the gutter lip, because it's a long way down. I want to get to a safer position on the ladder as soon as possible. Alright, so we're just about ready to secure these things. I'm going to go ahead and put these spikes back in their original holes, because it's got nice pitch. That's not the problem. It's just that these spikes are not going into the rafter tail coming down out here at the soffit area. I'm sorry, at the fascia board area. So they've just pulled out over time. These will work great. I'm also going to go ahead and tie off my ladder. Alright, so I've just about got it cleaned out where I'm comfortable with a video for you. And again, I'm going to try to pull this drip edge out. You might have this to contend with, drip strip or drip edge. This is drip edge. This looks real good as far as for fall, and it's going to push right back up against the fascia board. So I think we're ready to secure it. So I'll be using a portable drill with a 1/4-inch hex drive to secure the hidden hangers. I'm going to hold it right here. I've made sure that it's clamped down over top of the back side of the gutter, and we're ready to secure this. So you can see just an ordinary portable drill will take care of it. I think this is an 18 volt. And it looks like I don't have to worry about cutting the drip edge or anything. Looks like it's good to go there. Go ahead and make sure this all tightens up nice. There's no spike there anymore. We'll just get that out of the way. I think we're ready to do this one all the way in the back. Oh, down here by the downspout. We'll get you closer. So this time I'm keeping myself on the ladder, so I'm pulling myself up to the outside lip so I can apply pressure right here, some leverage to screw that in. That's in there good and tight. One more to do. See if I can get it. Alright, it cinched it right up there. So you can see that wasn't huge as far as an operation goes. I just want to make sure there's no debris in there while I'm up here. Looks nice and clear. Go ahead and tap in a loose gutter spike or two. And that looks good to go. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's easy once you know how.